Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, September 6th. We do got a couple economic news releases scheduled for today, and they are kind of important ones here. So let's jump right into it. We'll start off with the ADP employment numbers for August. We had 173 for new jobs created according to ADP back in July. And basic came up for August, 201,000. So those are obviously good numbers. Obviously we'd like to see that. We'll know what the Bureau of Labor Statistics come out with. It doesn't always comply with the same thing. Tomorrow, we'll get those numbers tomorrow. Next item to note is the weekly jobless claims that comes out every Thursday. And last week we had 377,000 people applying for unemployment. We figured that would come down a little bit to 373, and it dropped down to 365. So better news than we thought, which is obviously good. And last but not least, we have the ISM. Basically, this is a non-manufacturer services. So this is the service industry for the August numbers. And we had 52.6. Remember, anything above 50 is expansion. So basically, this is showing you that it's a very slow expansion in the services industry. We figured it would go up a little bit, about 53. And basically came in higher, 53.7. So good numbers that we got today on the economic news releases. So as a result, we have the stock market's up. Dow's actually up over 200 today, which is really good news. So nice little rally. But it's not just from the economic news. It is kind of coupled. But remember, if you followed me yesterday or even this week, we had the ECB was going to be meeting this week. And basically, Draghi, the ECB president, announced that they are going to indeed, because there's speculation or rumors, or there's actually no comments made by the ECB, but today he announced that there's going to be unlimited buying program, and they're going to sterilize it. So this is what they're going to do. They're going to be buying bonds between 1 to 3 years, so it'll be short-term bonds. And what they mean by sterilizing is every bond, unlimited supply. So every amount of bonds that they're buying in, they're going to be selling on the other side. So there's no influx of oversupply of money supply out there. So that way avoid any inflationary problems. So basically every dollar that they buy in, they're going to be selling off on the back end. That's what they mean by that. Now there are some concerns from a few critics saying that by buying just the short-term bonds, you're going to create an inverted curve, which could create some problems as well. But we'll wait and see. But right now, for the time being, that they're kind of lauding them actually doing something rather than just talking about it. Now they're actually implementing it. So this has been kind of lauded by the investors. So that's why you're seeing the Dow kind of up over 200 today. So let's go ahead and jump over to the bond market and see what the bond market's doing as a result. So right now we're actually down quite a bit, as you saw, like the day before on Tuesday, Tuesday we had a kind of a bounce back. So we touched ceiling, bounce back, but today we have a huge opening gap to the lower end, and we're actually down 9 basis points, touching just below the 10-day moving average. So right now interest rates have crept up a little bit, because if you look at right now we're about 103.31 on the 3% coupon, Fannie Mae's coupon. So where we left off yesterday is 103.72. So because we're lower on there, rates have crept up. So we're about 40 basis points lower than where we left off yesterday. So as a result, we'll have definitely a price change for the worse. So interest rates will be a little bit higher today. Keep an eye out tomorrow. Obviously, we have the Bureau of Labor Statistics. If it's nowhere near what we had, if it's very disappointing, I would expect to see a rally, and that gap will be easily closed on there. So definitely look at tomorrow's numbers. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. If you guys like, stop by mikesdailymarketreport.com. If you guys want to receive these on a daily basis, there's a feed burner to your upper right-hand corner. Feel free to subscribe, and you'll get your daily updates emailed to you on a daily basis. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.